Hola mga Yoch! Kung nakita ninyo ang episode 6 ng aking Istanbul, Turkey 2024 episodes, yung episode 6 ano lang yun, galaan, oo, sa City of Istanbul. Gala ng Team Mamba kasi rest day ng Team A ng tour. So, gumala lang kami. Now, this video, ipapakita ko naman ang kung paano mag-gala night ang World System Builder. And by the way, sa makikita ninyo, kalahati pa lang ng nag-tour yan ang magpa-party. Okay? So how did we prepare? Ito na nga.
X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S Let's go! X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S Here we go! X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S Let's go! X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S Here we go!
After ng mahaba-habang lakad ng Team Mamba for today's video, ayan, kinabi na kami nakauwi. Pero sabi ko kay Tita Lo, mag-secret code nga tayo para prepare ration for ang big event sa kinagabihan, ang WSB Gala Night. And from this, tingnan natin ang result. Saran! Oh, Jiva! Gaganda namin. Super fresh. Tingnan mo naman ang aking OOTD for today's video. Hindi lang siya full. Okay? At saka si Tita Du. Of course, Filipiniana siya. At dahil gandang-ganda ako dito, kaya magsawa kayo sa aking kinuhang portraits. Ang taray. Pinaghandaan ko yan, mga yosh. Kaya, clap, clap, clap na lang kayo. Okay? Wala habang naghihintay ng shuttle ay gumawa muna tayo ng mga montage. Yan, picture dito, picture doon sa team, yan. At saka, syempre, gumawa ng mga kung anik-anik. Because we look nice, we have to look ugly. Ready? 1, 2. Ano rito? Wala pa? Oh, papangitan naman ha. 1, 2. Wala pa? Ready? 1, 2. Papangitan. Ready? 1, 2. Wala pa. Nakakatawa kasi hindi nila alam kung anong nangyayari. Char! Anyway, kaya picture muna tayo just like Maria is here. At ang aking pagbaba sa hagdan portion. This gay is on fire! Ayan, excited na akong pumunta na sa Chiragan Palace. Nakakalokay kayo na may nag-wait. Atin-atin lang to ha. Pero nang makita ko sila at makita ko sarili ko, feeling ko talaga ang gandang-ganda ko. Char. Ito rin nung daan yung nilakaran namin kagabi. Kakaloka. Pero but now, super traffic. Kasi nga, maraming bus ang papunta sa Chiragan Palace. Ilan ba kaming nagpunta sa Turkey? Pag may oportunidad akong nakikita, super take ako ng video para makita rin ninyo mga yoch, di ba?
Good time. Alright, the reason why we kept keeping you wait because they told us to drop you just at the... Alright, we can now get...
Oh my God! Nasa loob na kami ng Chiragan Palace at talagang pupunta kami dyan sa loob ng palace na yan later on. Kaya abangan nyo lang. Oops! Sino to? Lahat ng nandito sinalubong ng tinatawag natin sa Leyte na Jana. Charot. Actually sa video makikita niyo wala talaga akong masyadong sinasabi. Pero tingnan nyo na lang kasi I'll just narrate it to you, okay? So this is a narration video. Oh, perfect. This is a proof of purchase na sa Chiragan Palace talaga kami magpa-party. Oo, napunta ko dito sa Turkey before. Dinadaan-daanan ko lang to. Siyempre, may pa-red carpet. Diba? Ang taray, red carpet girl. At ito na nga, kasi may music na siya at ayokong makopyright. So therefore, may mga part na ifo-forward ko or i-mute ko na lang. Like this. Sobrang pakikipagsosyalan ko dito, di ba? Oo, kasi sa labas pa lang wine, tapos parang mozone area din namin. Pero ang taray, talagang mag-i-enjoy ka sa tingin lang ng mga damit, sa mga gwapo, char. Having said that, ayan ang wine ko. Wala lang. Si Christine yun. Sabi niya maganda daw ako. Cheers! Ito naman si Adonis, dating KFC manager, taga-Canada at ngayon ay green jacket sa WSB. Ang taray, di ba? Kaya di talaga ako mag-quit. Promise. Lalo pa't mag-uumpisa na at lalabas ng mga dancers. Sorry mga Yoch, ifo-forward ko lang kasi kilala ang kantang ito. Here it goes! Nag-i-enjoy naman kayo, di ba? O, bongga. Actually, stop na natin kasi sa totoo lang, mas magaling pa akong sumayaw sa mga ito. Promise. Look at this. Ay, wala pa pala ang aking dance routine. Nag-Let's Get Loud pa pala sila. Pero before yun, tingnan mo naman tong mga taong to, di ba? Nakakaloka. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, sumama na kayo sa aming susunod na super trip di sa WSB. Nakakaloka. At lumapit pa talaga to sa akin. Ayan, si Kuya, ba yan? At i-forward natin ng bongga kasi dediretso na tayo sa aking dance routine. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, makikita nyo naman, mas magaling pa ako sa mga to, no? O, kaloka. O siya, ito na nga ang aking dance routine. Hello! I-forward din natin ng konti kasi the song is so very familiar to everyone. Okay? May feeling ako nag-enjoy kayo. Pero ako din naman nag-i-enjoy dito. At ang mga tao around me, nag-i-enjoy sila. Maririnig ninyo ang kanilang hiyawan at halakhakan. O diba, partial pa lang yun. Ayan, tama na kasi napagod din ng lola nyo. Nakakapagod kaya, pinagpawisan ako. Kaya, let's enjoy the view na muna sa labas ng Chiragan Palace kasi later on, mag-uumpisa na tayo sa loob naman. Exciting! Sa labas pa lang ng Chiragan Palace, nag-i-enjoy na ang lahat. How much more sa loob? Especially with the food, di ba? Mag-uumpisa na, pero nagpa-picture muna ako sa mga familiar faces. Ayan.
room with Michelle Hong, CEO team.
Ayan, papasok na ang lahat. Exciting! At kakain na kami, for sure.
You guys are doing wonderful. Thank you so much.
Can you help me to
Cheers! Ito yung aming mga kinain. Ang sarap niya, as in, grabe. Sobrang ang sarap, promise. At nakita nyo naman ang menu, hindi ko sila kilala. Pero ang sarap talaga. Maraming nangyari dito sa loob. Habang kumakain kami, may mga nagsasalita si coach.
Now, a responsibility to be able to always try to be the best. We deserve a best vacation. So I'm so proud of you and I'm looking forward for many more trips with you and we're going to see the world together. Thank you.
At nagsalita din ang anak ni Justin.
Molly, just really quick before you start, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old. Okay, and how many super trips have you been on? Do you remember?
Seven.
7. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead. I know you have a little bit something to share, so go ahead and share first.
Good evening. My name is Amalia Wambahi, and I'm 12 years old, and I'm in 7th grade. I live in Hayward, California. I'm the daughter of Maria and Justin Wambahi, and they joined the business when I was a 1-year-old. Having my dad in the business used to be frustrating when I was younger, because he would miss a bunch of my concerts and recitals, and he would be gone during family parties. The annoying part was that my family members would always ask me, "Oh, where's your dad? Where is he? Why isn't he here?" So yeah, I got kind of tired of that. But as I grew older, I realized that him making these sacrifices were worth it. For example, I can go to a private school with my sister, and he was able to retire my mom, so I get to spend more time with her. And I've also made many close friends through this business. Another benefit of this business are the super trips. My first super trip I went to was Spain when I was 3, and ever since I've been to Japan, Italy, Greece, Israel, Thailand. On these super trips, I've learned a lot about other cultures that I don't learn in school, and I think that makes up for the school time that I miss. I love the food on these trips, the experiences, and most of all, I love making new friends and hanging out with family. From WSB, I've learned the importance of hard work and having a vision for my future. When I'm an adult, I hope to take my family around the world like my parents have done for me. So I just want to say thank you, WSB, for giving my family an opportunity to see and travel the world. And one day, I hope to be a leader in WSB just like Auntie Alicia. Thank you, and remember to hit GX, and I hope to see you all in Korea.
Wow, she just told all of you to GS. Hey, can we give Amalia a big hand? Thank you so much. That was perfect. I have nothing to add to that. You wrote that all by yourself? You promised your mom and dad didn't help you, right? Lily helped you, I bet. All right, let's give the Mumbai family a big hand. Thank you so much, Jess and Maria, for being a great example. Go ahead.
Kung napansin nyo, nasa TV lang kami nanonood. Kasi nasa kabila yung stage, nasa iba kaming room. At nasa ibang floor. Nakakaloka. So, nasa iba-iba kaming room. Talaga dito sa palace. At, marami pang nangyari, pero I'm just gonna, tanggalin ko yan. Kasi kailangan talagang sumunod kayo sa amin next time. By sumunod, meaning mag-join kayo sa aming mga super trip dito sa WSB. Okay? Kaya, diretso na tayo sa party! At teka, bago pa mag-party, flex ko lang yung napakasarap na dessert na to. As in, di ko alam ang pangalan pero masarap siya. At of course, yung picture namin ni Tita Lu, at ni Justin. Ayan, ready na ba kayo? O, let's go na, mag-party-party sa Vava!
area waiting for everybody to have fun. Come to the basement for
Grabe, ang sesaya, no? As in, napuno ang dance floor. Nakakaloka. At, of course, kailangan kong i-forward yung iba. At, ang nakakaloka, nandito si Coach, nakikisaya din. Oh. Ikot ako ng ikot habang ang Team Mamba nasa gilid. Nag-i-enjoy. Ang taray. Anyway, enjoy! Siyempre, may katapusan din ng gabi at siyempre, yung mga taong to mapapagod din. Kaya, ayan, napagod din ako. At ang taas siguro ng heels ko, kaya ang sakit na ng paa ko. So, I went outside, nakipag-chill-chill lang dito sa labas. Ang sarap kasi ng view, tingnan. Tsaka, o tingnan nyo, that's Turkey. Doon, nakita nyo doon. Okay? So, habang sa loob nagpa-party-party pa dito sa palace na to, sa laki ng palace na to. At para malaman ninyo kung anong storya ng palace na to, ayan, ang pangalan ay Chiragan Palace. By the way, ito ang nagsalita kanina, yung anak ni Justin. At hindi ko na rin alam kung paano kami nakauwi kasi medyo nalasing ako. So anyway, thank you sa panunood at sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, mag-subscribe kayo. At hopefully makasama namin kayo sa aming susunod na super trip which is in Korea. Nakakaloka. I am waiting for that. Oh my God. Of course, abangan din ang episode 8 na kung saan kami pupunta sa aming second tour, city tour, kung saan kami pupunta. Okay? Sa next video. Bye-bye!
V-I-B-E-S X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S Let's go! X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S Here we go!